fish on. Alright, fish on.
Hey guys, it's Kumbo here, and today we are back in Erie, PA. In this video, I probably gonna be doing some testing on Kumbo prototype baits. I have only 3 of those bait that they sent it to me to be tested, and this is my own design for steelhead, crappies, bass, walleyes. I mean, one bait fit all. Okay, so right now I'm testing here in Erie, PA, and also in Rocky River. And to be honest with you, I cannot show you that bait, and I might be blocked. Okay, I just want to apologize because I had to do trademark and a whole bunch of things. Okay, and those bait are not finalized yet. Okay, and still in the process of testing. I might have to do twitch it here and there. Okay, to make it more perfect. But I tested in Rocky River, and I caught 3 not an hour. Okay, so that means it's working. But now I'm testing in Erie, PA. So I'm going to test it in shallow water and also probably in deep. I mean, deep, not that deep, probably about 1 meter, 2 meters the deep spot there, okay, to see does it work or not, okay. So stay tuned, and thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys at the fishing spot. I'm going to try float fishing for about 10 to 15 minutes because there's a current in this spot. But if I don't get the bite, I'm going to be jigging, twitching, more action when twitching, jigging in a slow flow current.
See nothing here, guys. There's no fish in here. I'm gonna try a little bit and see what happens and move. Come on, fishy, fishy. They jump behind me.
I can hear the water flashing behind me because they are moving upstream right now. Now, if I don't get a bite about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going after those one that aggravated me in the shallow water.
Oh, fish on. I didn't see it. One down. So they're in here. This on Kumbo prototype bait. Not that big, but they fight like a man. Okay, come on, fish it. Alright. That's none in here, but there's one in here, guys. So look at these bait that I'm using. Wow, shiny, fresh from the lake, right? Boom. Let's get out my net before I eat you. Come on, let's go. Alright, free at last, say you. Bye bye.
So the water there is about a knee deep, okay? I'm gonna be float fishing in the shallow water. Here I'm going to set up my rig from the bobber to crappie tube jig about 10 and adjust the depth according to the body of water. Here's the key. First 10 minutes drifting in the current, I'm not jigging. The first 10 to 15 minutes, I'm not jigging, I'm drifting with the current. Now, if I don't get the bite in 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna be twitching and jigging. When I'm jigging and twitching the crappie tube jig, I'm trying to mimic, injure, or bait fish that drift with the currents, that try to get away from the fish. So the fish will react to a certain motion and action in the water, and this is called reaction bite, and that is the key.
Line wrap around the thing there. Alright, so See that? How you fish it? How you fish it, guy? In the shallow water, okay? I don't have the net. Okay, it's bait. Okay, look. I'll show you what I get here. I don't know. See my bobber? I put my bobber about like 6 inches. I don't have a net. My nephew was over there. Shallow water for me. That's a big fish too. I don't know, the water. See guys, I'm gonna show you how they bite. Okay, look. See in the mouth. Alright, it's Kumbo bait, guys. Okay, let me show you what I got them on. Fish on, guys. On Kumbo tube. Don't have the net with me. I don't. My nephew take all the net. I'm gonna take it. I don't bring mine. It's strong. This one probably not been caught yet. That's why they fight like a monster. That's big too. Alright guys, it's this one that's not on crappie 2 guy is a Kumbo lure or bait. Okay. £6 test line and catching them. So it's the same one I caught earlier today. Ooh. Oh, I didn't take a picture. Shoot. That's okay. Sean. Ooh. fish on. Man, break my line, okay? My bait, that's the only bait I got right now. This is a combo bait, guy. Nice fish though. Come on, fish, give up. Got no net at home. My nephew is on the other side of the spot here, guys. Come on, fish. Keep losing, keep missing. Come on, take that long to get the fish up, come on. It's a big fish, guys. Not that big, but they fight like crazy. See, they were so smart, they were pulling a strong current. Come over here before my line snap on my hook bend. Come on. Come over here, fish. I'll let you go back home, though. Don't have to fight that hard. Ooh, come on. Pull you in here, come on. Come on. I think you won the first time he went hit the bobble went down. I didn't pay attention. Oh, come on. Go back to the tongue again. Jesus Christ, come on. Don't take that long, come on. I need to fish some more. No, don't lose my bait, okay? That's the only bait I caught, like 5 fish on this bait already. 4 in Rocky River. And 1 is here, but I keep missing. Come on. Ooh. You see, that's the problem. I don't have a net. Jesus Christ. 6 pounds test line, guy. So I want to put pressure on him. Jesus Christ. This is the longest fish I never reel in, guys. Look like a 30-50 pounds of fish. That's a nice fish though. Oh, that's not a good spot. That's not a good spot. That's not a good spot. Ew. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna try to pull him in here. Hey. Hey. Come on, fish. Alright. I don't care, I lose or not, I don't care. Alright. Stay with me. Woo, that's a nice one. Dang. It's big.